Next verb, tuon. Tuon means study. Tuon, study. Past tense, nagtuon, study. So I use nag here because the prefix ni is uncommon for this verb. Our example is nagtuon ko gahapon or kagahapon. Okay, so make sure if you're going to use nag or ga in past tense, there should be a time marker. Okay, nagtuon ko kagahapon. I studied yesterday. Nagtuon, studied. Next, ko is I. Kagahapon, or you can just say gahapon, yesterday. Next, present tense, nagtuon, studying. Nagtuon, studying. Nagtuon ang mga estudyante. Nagtuon ang mga estudyante. The students are studying. Okay? Nagtuon means studying. Ang mga, okay, ang definite article, the, ang, plural marker, mga, okay? Our subject here, students. Mga estudyante. So this should be, mga estudyante means students. Nagtuon ang mga estudyante. The students are studying. Now, let's go to future tense. Magtuon or mutuon. Will study. So either of the two is acceptable. What's common is magtuon. Magtuon ko unsaon og luto. Magtuon ko unsaon og luto. I will study how to cook. Okay? Magtuon, will study. Ko is I. Unsaon, how to. Luto is cook. So you must add og here to connect what you are going to study. Okay? So you're going to study luto. So to connect luto, you must add og. Magtuon ko unsaon og luto. I will study how to cook. Nagtuon, studied. Okay? Present, nagtuon, studying. Future is magtuon or mutuon, which means will study. Again, what's more common here is magtuon.